Are you still adding your website leads to the CRM manually? Then you are totally wasting your time. So watch this video till the end, because in this video I have bought this amazing automation by using which you can add your website form leads to the Salesforce CRM. And for that I have already created an automation using Pabbly Connect. So now let me firstly show you its real time working, and afterwards I will show you how you can build this automation step by step. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. Now here I am on my website form, which I'm going to fill, providing the full name as demo user, email as demouser@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter my mobile number. Now let's submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Salesforce CRM account to check whether we are receiving this lead over there as a new contact or not. So right here I'm on my Salesforce CRM contacts page, which I'm going to just refresh. And right here we are successfully receiving the lead, having the name demo user, the phone number and the email address too. So now you have seen the working of this amazing automation, which is successfully creating a contact over my Salesforce CRM for newly received website form lead. So now you have seen the working of this automation. And now let me show you how you can build this automation on your own by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate thousands of applications. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate your business applications such as WhatsApp, Google Sheets, CRMs, and many more. And this will automatically make the setup and make your work easier for you. So now let me show you how you can create it for your business too. So now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I will be entering my prompt as connect webhook by Pabbly with Salesforce. So right here I have selected my webhook by Pabbly as trigger application because this is an application provided by Pabbly, by using which I am going to connect my website form. So here I will be selecting my webhook by Pabbly trigger as catch webhook preferred, and right here I am going to select my Salesforce action as create contact. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here we are on the workflow page, where you can see that my both applications are already integrated. And by using this tool or this application, I will be getting the webhook URL, which I am going to enter over the code of my this website form, which I have already created. So here I'm going to just click over this recapture webhook response, and I'm going to paste this webhook URL over the code for my website form. So right here I'm on the code of my website form, where after this word fetch, I'm getting this dummy URL which I'm going to replace with webhook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as I receive a website form lead, that lead can be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. Now let's save it by simply selecting the save button. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. And here you can see the status is waiting for webhook response. Now let's fill our website form and provide the webhook response to the Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to fill this form, providing the name as smart user, email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter the phone number. Now let's submit it, and right here you can see that my website form has been successfully submitted. And now this data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect, as I have entered the webhook URL over the code for this particular form. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and right here you can see that 1 second ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my website form. So this shows that we have successfully built in the connection between website form and Pabbly Connect. So now as soon as I will receive a new lead over my website, the data will be automatically captured, and I'm going to add this lead over the Salesforce CRM as the new contact. So now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection. Now let's connect with Salesforce. And right here I'm going to allow the access, as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And as I have clicked over this allow button, you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the first name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to make these fields dynamic by performing a method, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my user's first name from the response which I'm receiving from webhook by Pabbly, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application, that is webhook by Pabbly, and right here we are receiving this full name. So here I'm receiving the full name, but you can design a website form with the separate fields, that is first name and last name. So in spite of mapping the first name, I'm going to map the last name with the field name, because this is the necessary field. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the email address too. So here I have mapped the email address, and now let's map the phone number. So here I have mapped the phone number as well. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single form submission received over your website form. Now let's click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response. So now let's move on towards my Salesforce CRM account to check whether we are receiving this contact over there or not. So right here I'm on the contacts page of Salesforce CRM, which I'm going to just refresh, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead having the name smart user, its phone number and its email address too. So as we are receiving the response, this shows that we have successfully built in our automation, and you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You can create it by just simply integrating the applications. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect and automate your entire business task. And not only these applications, you can integrate many more amazing applications by using Pabbly Connect and make your work easier for you. So I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.